Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Budget Buying. Today, we are checking out the best wall scanner that can make your construction or renovation work much easier and more accurate. If you want one tool that can scan, measure, and store data all in one place, you are in the right spot. Let's take a closer look at this smart device. Let's get started. The product we are talking about is the UNI-T UT387E wall scanner. This tool is designed to give you precise detection and measurement in a simple and compact form. One of the key strengths of the UNI-T UT387E wall scanner is its multi-material detection. It can detect wood, alternating current, and metals inside walls. This helps you avoid drilling into wires or pipes by mistake. It gives you more confidence before you start cutting or drilling. Another useful feature is wood moisture measurement. The UNI-T UT387E wall scanner does not just find materials, it also checks the moisture level in wood. This is very helpful if you want to make sure the material is safe and in good condition. High moisture can cause damage over time, so this feature adds extra protection to your project. When it comes to measuring, this device offers several modes. You can choose single measurement, continuous measurement, or area measurement depending on your task. It also supports single and double Pythagorean calculations, which help you measure height or distance even when you cannot measure directly. This makes it easier to handle complex spaces. You can switch between different units and even use addition or subtraction to keep track of multiple measurements. It saves time and reduces manual calculations. The UNI-T UT387E wall scanner can store up to 30 groups of historical data. This means you can go back and check previous measurements without writing everything down. It keeps your work organized and helps you manage larger projects more smoothly. Power is also convenient. The UNI-T UT387E wall scanner comes with a 300 mAh lithium battery and supports Type-C USB direct charging. You can recharge it easily without needing special cables. This makes it reliable and ready whenever you need it. The device also supports depth detection, giving you more detailed information about what is inside the wall. By combining wall detection with distance and area measurement, the UNI-T UT387E wall scanner works as a multi-purpose tool. Instead of carrying several devices, you can handle many tasks with this single compact unit. In terms of design, it is compact and easy to hold. The layout is simple, which makes operation smooth and user-friendly. It feels practical and ready for both small tasks and bigger jobs. Want a smarter way to scan and measure? Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more smart product picks. See you in the next video.